Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at viewing door events in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the door belongs to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Click on the icon in the Doors column. To view a door's events, click the icon in the Events column next to its name. You can filter by priority or by event type in the description column. That's it. Check out other menu options like Historical Events, where you can view door events for a set period of time. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.